English learners, welcome back to Learn English with Anam, the place where learning English becomes fun and easy. In today's lesson, we are diving into the future tense, how to talk about things that will happen later. You'll learn grammar rules, key vocabulary, a mini story to help you remember, and practice exercises to master it. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Section 1. Grammar explanation. What is a future tense? Future tense is used to describe actions that will happen at a later time. Forms of future tense. 1. Will plus base verb. Example, I will eat dinner at p.m. 2. Be going to plus base verb. Example, she is going to travel next month. 3. Present continuous for future. Example, we are meeting him tomorrow. 4. Simple present for fixed schedules. Example, the train leaves at a.m. Structure. Type 1. 1. Simple future will. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. Example, he will study tonight. 2. Going to future. Structure. Subject plus be plus going to plus verb. Example, they are going to watch a movie. 3. Present continuous. Structure. Subject plus be plus verbing. Example, I am meeting her at 5. 4. Present simple timed. Structure. Subject plus base verb. Example, the flight departs at 10. Section 2. Future tense vocabulary. Here are some useful words and phrases for talking about the future. Tomorrow, next week, next year, next month. Soon, in a few minutes, hours, days. Later, someday, eventually. By time, by next Friday. In the future, practice a few sentences with me. I will call you tomorrow. She is going to start a new job next week. Someday, I want to visit Japan. Section 3. Mini story using future tense. Meet Rena. She's a university student, and she has big plans. Next year, she will graduate. After that, she is going to travel to Europe. She is visiting France, Italy, and Spain. She will take a lot of photos and will write a travel blog. Her dream is to become a travel writer. Someday, she will publish her own book. Activity. What will you do next year? Tell me in the comments. Section 4. Practice time. 1. Fill in the blanks. I go to the gym tomorrow. He not come to the party. They visit their grandparents next weekend. What you do after school? 2. Sentence transformation. Convert the present sentence into future. Present, I eat lunch at 1. Future, I will eat lunch at 1. 3. Make your own sentences. Can you write 3 sentences about your future? Use will or going to. Section 5. Real-life situations. Example 1. Job interview. I'm going to work hard and learn new skills. Example 2. Travel plan. We will arrive at a.m. and stay for 3 days. Example 3. Daily talk. Don't worry, I will help you with your homework. Use these sentences in your daily conversation. Great job today! You learned how to use future tense with will, going to, and even present continuous. Now it's your turn to practice. Homework. Write 5 sentences about your weekend plans. Leave your answers in the comments below. I'll read and reply. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Anam for more easy and fun lessons every week. Remember, your English will improve, just keep practicing. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.